Are you creating a collection of posts and resources that you can share during the upcoming holiday season? Well, let's give you a bit of a behind the scenes look. Canva has different templates and resources that you can adjust with whatever suits you. And they have a collection of festive stickers as well. So you can change colors of the fonts and types, and you can make it bold and whatever you want to do. You can change out the stickers so that you have some movement. You can change a background color and add anything that tends to suit what you're looking for. And just get creative and try a bunch of new ways to engage your audience with some clever and beautiful greetings this holiday season. There's so much to pick from, and it's great to have a little bit of movement in your posts. There's different photos that you can choose from as well, and when you drag them over, it can create, you can crop and move things over and add text. And you can change things around. So I encourage you to get creative with your posts, create a variety so that you can send some holiday greetings to your family, friends, your audience, your team, your customers, and volunteers. I hope that you have liked this video. Some content creation behind the scenes using Canva to share a message and help you learn. And this is an example that even if you're not feeling like getting in front of the camera, you can still get creative in how you share your message and reach your audience. So please like and share, comment on the creative ways that you reach your audience. Please subscribe because we do share videos every Tuesday on ways that you can light up the learning experiences, update your training tools, and take you behind the scenes with step-by-step guides. So please like, share, subscribe. We'll continue to share different ways to reach your target audience and light up the learning experiences that you create in a variety of ways. And my name is Patricia Regier with Regier Educational Services. Thank you very much for checking out this video.